Hello and welcome to Lake Murray, South Carolina.
Now today we are in Lexington at the neighborhood The Landings, where we just listed 200 Forecastle, which by the way has a pool as well as it's here at Lake Murray.
But this lake is a popular lake. We love this particular cove. We've spent many time and hours with friends and family, but just outside this cove are a couple fun things. One is going to be the July 4th fireworks every year.
That's right, and then the most known thing Lake Murray's probably known for is Sandy Beach, which is the ginormous hangout spot. Plus right out from that you got Bomb Island, which is famous for the Doolittle Raiders. Right here at the Landings in this neighborhood, you've got easy access to everything there is to do on Lake Murray. But this neighborhood also has these wonderful docks right here, plus a boat ramp, plus you also have a covered picnic area with a little beach.
All right, so let's get to the house. Literally, you have a 1-minute golf cart ride to this property here at the lake, or it's even a 5-minute walk from your home. But the home itself is positioned on a beautiful corner lot. It's a large lot, even enough to even accommodate your own boat on your property.
That's right, and I love that. Being able to have my own boat at my house, man, that's where it's at.
I know, but the next impression is going to be that front porch. It's a grand front porch entrance when you come in the door, but also on the back side of the home, there's a beautiful screen porch, but it is overlooking an amazing setup with a cabana pool area.
And plus you got a deck. But when you're ready to head back into the house, I mean, let's just take a moment to think about this. You've got beautiful Lake Murray here, and you got a house with a pool. What else could you want? But when you head on the inside of this one, you're gonna be greeted by the staircase at the entrance, and then you technically have a formal dining room, but you can use it as an office or whatever you may see fit. And then from there, that's gonna lead you into the kitchen. Nice, beautiful white kitchen, great space here, plenty of counter space and cabinets. And this is going to take you then into that great room with that whitewashed fireplace.
The fireplace is amazing, and I love the fact you can even see it from the kitchen area. But getting on to the master bedroom, it is a split plan. The master's on the main, and then we get to the master bathroom. It's got the his and her sinks, the beautiful tub, the shower, and a walk-in closet.
That's right, and then now let's head upstairs. And when you get to the top of the stairs, one of the bedrooms on your right, it's gonna be a nice sized bedroom here, and then plus it's got like a little area that can be used for storage or playroom, game room, little theater room. That's what I really like about how that room is set up. And on the other side of the hallway, you do have a full bath, and of course, another bedroom. Now, back on the total opposite end of the house, back at the great room, there's gonna be some stairs from the laundry room. They're gonna lead you up to the 4th bedroom, which is actually over the garage, and it has a huge area up there. But here at the Landings, this home, like I said, it's got a pool, you got Lake Murray. I mean, what else do you want?
Check.
So we'd love to speak to you more about this home. Give us a call now, and let's get you out here to see it. See you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.